What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Let me update you guys with the video on Sunday, June 5, 2022. Looking at the market last week, we just stuck in the channel between 407 to around 415, 16. Uh, and, this week is going to be pretty light economic calendar for the first 2, 3 days. And then by the end of the week, you're going to have some interesting report coming out, which is going to be Friday. Very important. It's going to be the inflation data, CPI. We're going to have a major reactions on Friday after that report came out pre-market around 5:30 a.m. California time, okay? Now, I'm looking at the SPY right now. So this is a channel that we've been trading for the past 4 days last week between 407 and 417. Definitely. If SPY cracked 407, expect to come down at least around 401, 400 area. Now, if we break down into 418, and we're going to come test this area around 422, 423 is the target for the upside potential. Looking at individual stock, looking at, for example, look at Apple right now. Let's see. Apple was pretty bearish on Friday. If we trace back into this area around 145 and try to hold up right here. So two scenarios can happen. If the market comes down and Apple cannot hold it, it might go retest the area 140 area right here, 140. And it's gonna even come lower into test a low right here in this area, which is gonna be around 136 area. Now, if tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, Apple holds up and push higher, then we have a situation where we're gonna have an invert head and shoulder, okay? Invert head and shoulder, which means that it's gonna push back up and possibly test the trend line around 155 area, in my opinion, for Apple. So it could be either way, guys. I don't know what the hell is going to happen next for Apple. It could be either way, either break down into this area or it's going to come up testing that area. So you got to be prepared for both. Okay. Another stock watching tomorrow is going to be BAVA, BAVA. It's been trading in the channel pretty clear here. Downtrend still, but it's kind of stalled out here. If BAVA breaks 95, 100 area, we're going to come up and test around this area here, around 115 area, potentially forming an uptrend right here, which is going to be really interesting to see. Right now, it's in the triangle right now. So if it break higher, it's going to go into 115 area. I'm watching that as well. The next one I'm watching is going to be Tesla. Definitely watching Tesla. This one, like right now, is very similar to Apple. A lot of people call it's going to go lower, but you don't know until the market opens tomorrow, guys. This one look like it's going to come up. Either way, it's going to come up, test around 800, or it's going to potentially come down, test around 620 area, 615 to 20 area. So we don't know right now. Looks like the bears are in favor right now because the last transaction was a bearish, but who knows tomorrow? It might open and then close higher and back into the invert head and shoulder. So be prepared on both scenario. Another stock I'm watching is AMD. AMD clearly has a trend line for a long time since December 2021. That is a trend line very respected. So it tests an area around 109, 108 and pull back right now. Let's see what happens, and then bull can push it back up higher. Then we're gonna go see 115 area in the short term. If not, then we will come back down and test around 95 area. Okay, that's two scenarios happen tomorrow as well. So overall, the market is kind of neutral right now at the moment. I have a couple more ideas you guys take a look at. Look at us for some swing trade. Another first one is going to be still X. Kind of like holding the trend line right here, potentially right back up into 2630 area. Another one is going to be Pfizer. I really like it right here. I want to see break that area 53.5 for continuation into 55 area. And this is a candidate I want to short it right now. HRB, price going up, but diversion right here into the volume, buying volume coming down lower. So if the market is weak, I'm looking to short this one. HR block is another one. Energy, oil, I would stay out right now. It's not very clear. Oxy and Devron look like it's still uptrend, but it's very exhausted, guys. It's been uptrend for a long time since the early May. It's almost a month already. There's no pullback here, no significant pullback. So I'm kind of stay out. No trend for me right now at the moment. VIX is still pretty low. I mean, not low, but it's coming down. So really potential test an area around 23 and see if it's hold up. If it cannot, gonna go down to 20 area, then the market will go higher. And then if it's hold right here, pushing back up to 28, then we're gonna be in trouble. The market might go lower. That's pretty much it. The plan for this week. Until next time, guys. Adios.